Well, here comes the train. Guess we're going to lose our visual here for a little bit. Whoa, it's throwing off a whole bunch of sparks. Holy moly. Whoa. Look at that. What in the world? I have never seen that before. Whoa. And just like that, it's gone. That's some small tires under there. There it goes. What in the world? And they're watering the... Must be some kind of service train cleaning the tracks. I've never seen anything like that before. That is really neat.
Wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusting winds could knock down trees or around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Upper Sandusky, Forest, Arlington, Bloomfield, Sycamore, Laurel.
Might just be some kind of service vehicle following behind that. So if anybody knows about that, leave a comment, because I've never seen anything like that before. I'm assuming it was just cleaning the tracks and watering the gravel beside the tracks to keep the dust down. I don't know. But boy, it was sparking. That was really neat. Yeah, this just looks like a service vehicle. Like a CSX truck. It's interesting how they don't even set off the red alarms.
The wind was south at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 24. The pressure was 29.85 inches and falling. Elsewhere across Ohio, a thunderstorm.
Yeah, he must just be doing some kind of follow-up behind that train.
73 at Toledo Metcalf and 68 at Toledo Express. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 78 at Columbus and 80 at